Here are top 5 free AI websites every new YouTuber need in 2026. If you are starting a YouTube channel in 2026 and you are not using AI, you are making things much harder. You are making a big mistake than they need to be. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 free AI websites that can help you rewrite your script, create a thumbnail, edit video, and even generate a voice cover. Stay to the end of this video because the last tools is one of my favorite that helped me to grow my YouTube channel. You all welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Uncle OC and I help creators to grow on YouTube using free AI tools and simple strategies. If that sounds helpful to you, hit the subscribe button right now and let's get started. Number 5 AI tools that every new YouTuber need is ChatGPT. The first tool is ChatGPT. You can use it to generate YouTube video idea, write complete script, create a catch title, writing description, and even suggest CEO tags. Instead of spending hours thinking about what to say, let AI giving you strong starting point. So you need ChatGPT as a new YouTuber. This is number 5. So let's go to number 4. Number 4 tools that you can help you as a new creator is this. The next one is Cover AI. Cover AI make it easy to design professional YouTube thumbnail, channel banner, and social media graphic design. You don't need graphic design experience. Just choose the template, customize it, and you are ready to publish. That is what you need as a new YouTuber. I mean, Cover AI. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 AI tools that every new YouTuber is supposed to get is this. CapCut AI. If you want faster video editing, CapCut AI is the greatest choice for you. It can automatically generate caption, remove background noise, and add transition and help make your video look more professional in less than a minute. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 AI tools that every new YouTuber is supposed to get is this. 11 Lab. 11 Labs. Need a realistic voice cover. 11 Lab create a natural sounding AI voice to your video. It's useful if you don't want to record your own voice or if you are creating educational content. It's very useful. 11 Lab will do the work for you. So let's go to the last but not the least. So here is the one we are waiting for. Number 1 is Google AI Studio. My number 1 recommendation to you as a new YouTuber is Google AI Studio. It can help you brainstorm content idea, write a better script, improve your creative questions quickly. It is an excellent assistance for YouTube creators who want to work faster. So Google AI Studio is the best for every YouTuber to have it. Did you know say YouTube work with Google and Google AI Studio is owned by Google. So everything they give you there is genuine. So being as a YouTube, you're supposed to have Google AI Studio to help you do some work on your video. Now that you have the free top 5 AI app that you're supposed to have as a YouTuber, now I want to add a bonus to you, the bonus tips for you. Don't use AI to copy other creators. Use it to improve your own idea and create original content. That is how you build a channel people will trust and keep coming back to your channel to see what you post next. Don't use it. Create your own original content and let AI helping you to improve your own idea. Now, for those of you watching this video to this stage, I want to ask a question. Which of these AI tools are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section. If this video helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I share free YouTube growth tips and AI tutorial every week. Sometimes I can post 4 times, 5 times in a week, but mostly I drop a powerful video every week. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for my next video. Thank you.